argument on the command line is just the word migrate. And so we run that, and we're going to see that all of these are now running. And then to run our server again, I just have this shortcut to --djr because I run this command hundreds of times a day. So Python manage.py run server 0.0.0.0 :8000. And we should see this. Now at this point in time, if you see this, we can now open up our browser and we can head on over to localhost port 8000. So we just type in localhost :8000, and that 8000 matches what we typed in our command line, and we should see this. Once you see this, you now have a Django project up and running successfully. Now this is cool, but there's nothing in here. So let's go ahead and check out the admin. Is there an admin link down here? Documentation, tutorial, Django community. There is no admin in here. So we can go straight to /admin, and we need a username and password. So let's go ahead and set up a username and password. Let's head on back over to our terminal here. And we can type Python manage.py create super user. And all I did there, by the way, when I was running the server was I just hit Control-C to cancel. So I'm going to create a new super user. I'm going to call it Caleb. No reply at caleb.io. I'm going to give it a password, retype my password, and cool. Super user successfully created. That's our admin account. And then we simply run Python manage.py run server 0.0.0.0 :8000 Head back on over to our browser, refresh, just make sure this page actually loads the way we're expecting it to load. Type in our username and our password. And voila, we are inside of our Django admin. This is where we're going to be editing all of our content. We can manage pretty much everything through here as long as we tell Django that it's supposed to be manageable by an administrator. So your task for this lesson is to install Django inside of your virtual environment and create a super user. And don't forget to run your migrations. And once you see this page and also this page, you are ready to move on to the next lesson.